This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to begin with, we will need to download and install the Turbo VPN application. That's a third-party tool that you can get for free and conveniently establish the VPN/proxy connection on your phone. At least the best tool that I know of, and free as well. So that's why we use it, or should I rather say that's why we prefer to use it. So let's wait for it to download and install itself. Now launch the app. Tap at the button, skip the ads, do whatever is required to access its main interface. And in here, once you're ready to be connected to VPN, tap at the caret icon over here, then choose the OK option, and wait for this little cute rabbit to connect your phone to VPN. Already, as you can see, the connection failed. That's the thing that might occur sometimes, so do not be afraid. Just try to connect one more time and do that until the connection will be a success. As you can see, in my case, it took 2 attempts. While connected to VPN, you can also change the country or server that you are connected to. So let's say I'll reconnect myself from Excuse me. So I'll reconnect myself from Netherlands to, let's say, UK. And in order to terminate or disconnect from VPN, tap at the cross icon over here and, well, respectively, go for the disconnect option. And that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.